Good afternoon, students. Today we shall be looking at some general past questions from Ijmb, that is Interim Joint Matriculation Board Examination from Ahmadu Bello University, on the subject General Biology, Paper 2. So, get your writing material, sit back, and we shall be right back. The first question says, explain the following term. A, that is 1, reproductive cells or tissues. What are reproductive tissues? Reproductive tissues are a group of cells that are responsible for reproduction. That is the ability of an organism to raise the young ones, called offspring. So reproductive cells can be classified into two. We have the male and female reproductive tissues. The reproductive tissue in male are grouped under vas deferens. We have testis. We have ureter. We have penis. Then we have seminal vesicle. And so on and so forth. Then under the female reproductive organs, we have what we call ovary, uterus, we have fallopian tube, we have cervix, and then vagina. All these are reproductive tissues. Number B, phagocytosis. When we say phagocytosis, this is the ability or the process by which cells are able to engulf foreign materials in the body. What do we mean by foreign material? That is those materials that are harmful to the body. For instance, bacteria can be harmful to the body, or the breaking down of cells. This breaking down of red blood cells can be injurious to the body. So for the cells to be able to take off this foreign material from the body, it has to undergo a process called phagocytosis. And this stems from the fact that it is from the white blood cell. And we know the function of the white blood cell is to fight against foreign material in the body. So phagocytosis simply means it's a process by which an organism is able to engulf or eaten up or destroy some foreign materials and foreign organisms present in the body that will be harmful to the body. Number 3, metabolism. Metabolism simply means all series of cellular activities that are obtainable in any living organism. All living organisms carry out what we call metabolism because they are reactions, chemical reactions, metabolic reactions that are able, such as digestion, respiration, excretion, and so on and so forth. All these are metabolism. Now, metabolism can be classified into two. Metabolism, we said they are all chemical reactions taking place in the body. Then we have catabolism and anabolism. These are the two activities, cellular activities in the body. Catabolism simply means the breaking down of giant molecules into smaller units. And this requires what? Energy. Energy is released when giant molecule is broken down. For instance, carbohydrates can be broken down during digestion into simpler form called glucose. In this process, energy is being released. Energy is released. In this case, energy is given off. But in anabolism simply means the building up of giant molecule from simple organic material. You know, when you build up giant molecule. For instance, if you want to build up carbohydrates, for instance, they are accumulation or aggregation of what? Simple units such as glucose or even amino acids. Simple units of amino acids come together to form what we call the protein, which are giant molecules. So the building up of material from simple organic substances are called anabolism. And in this case, energy is required. Energy is required. Energy is required. Energy is given off in this case. So that's just the differences between catabolism and anabolism. And then the last one, hemolysis. Hemolysis simply means the breaking down of red blood cell. Breaking down or destruction of the red blood cell in the living thing. And this can be caused by what? Drug. When you take some foreign drug in the body that are harmful to your body, it results in what's called hemolysis. That is, the red blood cell will be broken down. Another cause of hemolysis can be what? When you take in some material that are foreign to your body. For instance, bacterial attack. When bacteria attack your body system, they go into your bloodstream, thereby destroying some of these red blood cells. So the process of breaking down the red blood cell or destruction of the red blood cell is what we call hemolysis. All right, question B says, assuming uniform color C is dominant over spotted C in cattle, when a cross is made between a pure breed homozygous black bull BBC with a white spotted cow BBCC. So we have a cross between a cow and a bull. The genotype, the homozygous for black cow is given as B, B, and then the uniform pure breed. Now, for the bull, we have the homozygous recessive, which is B, B, and CC. So for this, BB simply, CC simply means the white spots. Why this is the black? This one represents the black. This one represents, the BB represents the black spot. So, number one question says, use the Punnett diagram to show the result of F1 generation. Now, this is the parent gene. Now, by the time this can be rearranged as BC, BC, then B, BC. In this case, using the Punnett, by the time this crosses with this, using the Punnett table, we have B, C, B, C. That is from this. This is a parent. This is the parent. This is one of the parents, the male and the female. Why this is B, C, the second gene B, C. So when this crosses with this, cross, we call this table Punnett table. When this crosses with this, we have B, B, C, C. Can you see? B and B, C, capital C and capital C. When this crosses with this, we have B, B, and C, C. The same thing, when you cross this with this, it gives you B, B, C, C. This crosses with this, we have B, that is capital, then C, no, sorry, we have B, B, then C, C. You discover that all the 4 offspring given here are all black with a pure breed. We say C, homozygous for C means they are of pure breed and they are all black, that is the cow. These ones are white, but they are with spotted, meaning the color of the bull has spotted coloration. Why this one is black, the bull is white. So the gene for black is BB, capital B. Why the gene for white is always the recessive, which is small b. Now, for pure breed, capital CC. Why the spotted is small c. So by the time they cross, you discover that all the 4 offspring, 1, 2, 3, 4, will be black at the same time with pure breed. They are black because this capital is dominant. The capital B is dominant in all the 4 offspring. They are all black with pure breed because B and C are dominant. Now, the question now is, we have said, use the Punnett diagram to show the result. That is F1 generation. This is for F1 generation. B2 says, what will be the phenotype of the calf in F1 generation? That is, this is the offspring for the F1 generation. We have 4 offspring. What will be the phenotype? That is, what will be the physical observable features of these 4 offspring? Of course, they are all the same. You can see the genes are all the same. So what will be the physical nature, or how will this organism look? If you look at this, B here is capital, meaning is dominant, meaning the color black is dominant for each offspring. Then they uniform. They are uniform in color, meaning the offspring will be black are the same with uniform coloration, unlike the other one that has white but spotted coloration. So what we observe is all offspring, all the 4 offspring are black and uniform in color. That is it. They are all black at the same time uniform in color because of the what? The dominant gene for black is in all the offspring. Why the what? The uniform coloration for the cow dominate, which is C. So you expect the 4 offspring to be black and be uniform. No one is spotted. All right. The next question says, show the type and ratio of offspring that are possible when two of the F1 generation are crossed. Mind you, we said we have the F1 generation to give us offspring like B, C, and C. Meaning all of them will be black. At the same time, they will be uniform. So when these 2 are crossed, B, C, C, the possibility we have is black and uniform, meaning the 4th possibility, black and uniform. We may have black, uniform. Why? Because the black here is homozygous, is dominant. The color here is uniform. Then we may have black spotted, black spotted. Then the other second color we may have is white, which is B, white uniform, capital, white uniform. Then the other possibility is white spotted, small. So this is white spotted. So when these are crossed, you have a Punnett table that shows this black uniform, black spotted, white uniform, then white spotted. The same thing goes for this. This is one of the parent. This is another parent. This C, small b, capital B, small c. This is C, sorry. So when these 2 are crossed, what you have is B, C, C, capital. When these are crossed, we have B, capital B, capital C, C. Crossing this, we have B, small b, capital C, capital C. Crossing this, we have B, small b, capital C, small c. The same way, BB, capital C, small c. Crossing this, we have BB, small c, small c. Crossing this, we have capital B, small b, C, C. Then B, small b, small c, small c. This one, capital B, small b, capital C, capital C. All right. So when this crosses with this, we have B, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. This crosses with this, we have BB, small b, C, and C, capital. This crosses with this, we have small b, capital C, small c. And then lastly, we have this crosses with this, B, small b, capital C, small c. This crosses with it, we have B, small b, small c, small c. Small c. Okay. Now, the next one is, this one crosses with this, small b, capital C, small c. Then this crosses with it, we have BB, small c, small c. So the ratio, let's see, what is going to be the ratio of the ones that are black but uniform? That is, anyone that has a dominant for C and B. Which of them? This one, number one. Let's cross them. This is black and uniform. So anyone you have at least one C and at least one B capital, this is one uniform. This is another one, uniform, black uniform, black and 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 uniform. That's all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All 9 here are black and uniform. You can see at least one capital B and one capital C. So which of them are black but spotted? Meaning black in color but spots. The color of the offspring will be spotted color, not uniform color, but spotted. So at least one B and at least one small C. Yeah, let's go. This one has been done. Black and spotted. This is one. Let's circle this with another color. This is one. Black spotted. This is two. Black spotted. Black spotted. Black spotted. Black spotted. This is three. Three. So we have three. Now, which of them is white uniform? That is white, small b and capital uniform. White spotted. White spotted. That is one. Let's use another color, black. One. Black spotted. Two. Black spotted. Three. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. So another 3. Now, the only one remaining is white spotted. So white spotted, at least one small b and one. So this is this. So 1. So the ratio of the all 16 arrangement, the offspring here are 16. They are going to be in the ratio 9, 3, 3, and 1. So if you look at this 16 offspring, they are going to be grouped into 9 offspring that are black uniform, 3 offspring that are black spotted, 3 offspring that are white uniform, and then only 1 will be white spotted. All right, number 4 question says, name all the new combination that may arise from the cross above. So all the 16 offspring, what will be their name? How would they look like? The first one is going to be black uniform color, meaning the entire color is going to be uniform, and then the color is going to be black, no spots. This one is going to be black and uniform too. Can you see? Because the gene for uniformity is what? Dominant. This is going to be black and uniform as well, but the gene for white is recessive. This is going to be black uniform as well. This is going to be black uniform, black but spotted. Can you see? Black spotted, because the gene for spot is dominant here. Now, this is going to be black uniform. This is going to be black spotted. This is going to be black uniform. Black uniform, white uniform, white uniform. This is going to be black uniform, black spotted, then white uniform, and then white spotted. So that's the end of question B. The next question says, fill in the blank spaces. Spelling of one word answer and scientific name must be correct to score. The first one says, reduction of loss of water in reptile is reduced by the presence of a dash is a scale. Reptiles or aquatic organisms possess what we call scales, such as fish. This enables them to reduce the rate of water loss. So what actually the structure that prevents this water loss is called a scale. Number 2 says dash neuron conduct nerve impulse towards the central nervous system. It is the sensory neuron. Sensory neuron send information to what? The central nervous system, whereby afterward the motor neuron relates for effect. So the answer is sensory neuron. Number 3 says endocrine hormones. Number 3 says endocrine hormone reach their target organ through the bloodstream. It is the bloodstream that carries the endocrine hormone to their target upstream. So the answer is bloodstream. Yes, the next. The dash filter fluid from the blood in the kidney. That which filter is called glomerulus. Glomerulus filter the fluid in the blood. Glomerulus. Number 5, mosquito larvae breathe air using the structure called siphon. Siphon is spelled S-I-P-H-O-N. Siphon. Number 6, the selectively permeable parts that provide shape and protection of the inner organelles of the cell is called cell membrane. The cell membrane provide protection to the inner organelles in the cell. Number 7 says the dash are photoreceptors in the eye that are sensitive to high light intensity. It is the retina. The retina is photoreceptor cells that are sensitive to light. That's where the image is formed, through light reflection. Next question is glandular cells are responsible for producing enzyme. Glandular cells are responsible for producing enzyme in the cell or in the living organism. Glandular cells are responsible for producing enzyme. Number 9. The grinding or digestion of food occur in the dash of insect. The grinding or digestion of food start from what? The mandible, that is the set of teeth of an insect. We call them the mandible. They are mandible, maxilla, and labium. These three together work to begin digestion of food by cutting or grinding this food particle in insect. It's called the mandibles. Number 10. The DNA consists of two strands arranged in a helical fashion or helical structure. Helical means, the DNA consists of two strands arranged in double helix. Double helix. They are arranged in helical fashion. Double helix. Double helix. Today we have come to the end of the first compulsory question for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that we can notify you on when the next question will come up in our next videos. Thank you.